Today is November 1st, 2024. We have a side-by-side Kenmore refrigerator. The compressor is running hot. I don't feel a temperature difference between these two tubes. The compressor, those three prongs there, they test out good. The bottom's a common. The one that's close to me is a run. The one where there's start. And they have different ohms. That's good. The white part there, that's a overload. That's working good. There's continuity to the red and the middle pin. The capacitor over there, I haven't tested it, but the starter relay is not doing too well. Starter relay sitting right here. And then has a 5 and 6 on this side. You shake it, you hear it. There's these two holes, 5 and 6, supposed to have a continuity there, and it doesn't. So, for like $7, we're gonna get another one on Amazon. Hopefully it comes in 2 days. Food in there is not gonna be good. All that food. For a $7 part. Maybe a store is opening tomorrow we can get. Who knows? We'll see.